Hi, kindergarten friends. Today is Wednesday. It is the last day of school for this week. So I wanted to kind of just wrap up patterns. Of course, we will continue to do them throughout the school year, and we will see them all the time in all of our subjects. But we are going to do a quick little review today, okay, of our math. And math has been patterns. So let's get here. So pattern review. Remember, patterns are everywhere. A pattern can be identified by its core and its type. Remember, the core is what repeats, and the type is labeled with letters. For instance, an A-B pattern, AAB. You know, we've been talking about it. So we are going to be thinking about what kinds of patterns you can create and extend today. And you will be able to look around your home for patterns. You'll be able to create your own patterns. You get kind of a choice today. But let's take a look at this book called Pattern Fish.
Pattern Fish by Trudy Harris, illustrated by Anne Canaveri Green. Yellow, black, a fish swims in the ocean.
Do you see the yellow and black pattern here? Yellow, black, yellow, black. And I see patterns right here with the seaweed. See green, yellow, green, yellow. Oh my goodness, they're all around. Let's look. Today when you are working, you might want to draw a picture with patterns.
It has stripes upon its back. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot.
Do you see that? Stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot. You know, patterns have a rhythm to them, don't they? That means when you're saying it or you're hearing it, it goes in a special way. Stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot. There's patterns again. Keep looking. Oh, look at big bubble, little, big, little, big, little. These are A, B, B patterns here.
From a dark and rocky nook, an eel slips out to take a look. Stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot.
That comes next.
Chomp, chomp, munch, munch, chomp, chomp, munch, munch.
Now look at this pattern. I like this one because it has two different ones to it. It has, well, actually, maybe more than that. It has green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. It also has short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall. Interesting. And then if you take a look at it also, there are two green, two yellow. So this would be A, B, B. Wow, lots of ways to look at it.
A seahorse underneath the sea eats seaweed for its lunch. Chomp, chomp, munch, munch, chomp, chomp, munch, munch, chomp, chomp, munch. Munch! Bubble, bubble, pop! Bubble, bubble, pop! A puffer fish blows bubbles. They go floating to the top. Bubble, bubble, pop! Bubble, bubble, pop! Bubble, bubble, pop!
Pop, there's the pop.
Stretch, spurt, glide. Stretch, spurt, glide. On an underwater ride, an octopus is slowly going stretch.
It's going stretch, then spurt, then glide. Oh, this is the stretch, then spurt, then glide. And so that is a movement.
Stretch, spurt, glide. Stretch, spurt, glide. Stretch, spurt, glide. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float. Wiggly, jiggly, jellyfish. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float.
Float.
Splash, turn, swish, dive. Splash, turn, swish, dive. In the dark, a giant shark moves in murky water with a splash, turn, swish, dive. Splash, turn, swish, dive. Splash, turn, swish. Shark? Shark? Shark! Yellow, black, stripe, dot, dot, stripe, dot, dot. Chomp, chomp, munch, munch. Bubble, bubble, pop. Stretch, spurt, glide. Wiggle, jiggle, jiggle, float. Hey, where'd everybody go? Oh, well. Splash, turn, swish, dive. Splash, turn, swish, dive. Splash, turn, swish, dive.
Okay, so there were lots of patterns in that book. And here's a little bit more about patterns, just as our review. A pattern is something that repeats again and again. An A-B pattern has only two different things that repeat over and over. This is an AAB pattern because the A picture appears two times, which is the square, and a B is the star. Now, isn't that interesting? They're all the same color, but the pattern has a change in the shape. And so there's all kinds of ways to make patterns. We've talked about many. We're keeping it simple for now. So let's look over here. So today, while you're working in math, you can create and locate patterns. You can take a video of yourself telling about the patterns that you find. So like yesterday, you could use your cubes again. You could use different things in your home learning kit. For instance, you could use your Matman pieces. You could color a pattern. I'd like to give it your choice. You could even find clothing with a pattern. A pattern is everywhere. You can take a picture of it and tell me about it. I'm also going to give you another choice. This is going to be on your seesaw activity, and this is extra or optional. That means you can do this. Well, you can do this if you cannot find any other patterns to share. You can share a pattern and do this, but this is there for you for basically for that reason. If you cannot find anything or if you want to do more work, you can do Pete the Cat patterns. So these are going to be color patterns. It already tells you what type of pattern to make. This one's going to be an A-B pattern. So you will have to pick two colors and make this one color. Maybe you're going to do red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. These buttons are all the same, so you will have to choose colors, but this is an ABC pattern. So you will need to choose three colors, maybe red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red. The paw prints are ABB, two colors, but one color repeats. And the strawberries are AABB. So two colors, but you would do red, red, green, green, maybe. Red, red, green, green. So today when you're working, I really want you to look around for patterns. I want you to try to create a pattern. Talk about the patterns. Remember math talk. That's important for you just to talk about and describe and tell about what you know about patterns. So have fun with your patterns today. I'll see you Monday. Bye.